Hello everyone, welcome to my workshop. Today I am going to show you I come across a very old power supply in my shed. And I'm surprised it's still working. So this is the input, as you can see. Yes, 200 to 250 volts input, and I found this is a fuse, and this is switch on and off, and this is the output, positive and negative. This is actually a 12 volts fixed power supply. As you can see, the is going in the input, and as far as I can see, and this is a bridge rectifier. You see the wafers, 4 wafers, and this is a transistor, and this is a fine adjustment. It's only few volts adjustment, 1 or 2 volts adjustment, fine adjustment. Otherwise it's not variable at all. And this is the primary transformer, and this transformer is actually for this board to amplify the current. Let's look at this wiring. And this power supply must be made in 1960 or late 50s. Okay, and I'm going to switch this on. Okay, so switch this on, and the wire going in. It's still original wire, it comes with it. So I used to use it in my workshop in my younger days. So all the memories coming back. There you go. And this is a switch. I'm going to switch over and just look at this. It's 14.6 volts. This is without the load. So this is 12 volts plus and minus a couple of volts, plus or minus 2 volts or something. So there you are. My goodness. And it's working. See, the meter is cross there, and negative to negative and positive to positive. There you are. So this is 12 volts DC. The voltage going in as AC, going through the fuse, going through the bridge rectifiers, and also amplified. This is a board actually amplify the current. Okay, so yeah, and look at these hardest wires. Okay, now I show you the modern one, and this is very modern, the latest one. And just have a look at the power supply inside. Wow, what a beauty. This is color changes. So the input coming in, switching through this switch, and as you can see, this is a fan, cooling fan, and also you can see there is a bridge rectifiers. This is actually a bridge rectifier, if you can see there next to it, and it's there. Next to the smoothing capacitors. There you are. And these are the CAN transistors. It's more like a switch mode power supply. So there it is. Even it has a power for a charger for a telephone. There you go. And it shows also the current. You can see the volts, currents, and power. So if I'm going to switch this on, okay. Okay. I'm going to switch this on, press this in, and switch it on. There you go. It is set up on 17.4 volts amps. Once I connected the units, and it will show the amps going through and how much wattage is being taken, is running on. So this is the new, brand new type, and it's from, let's have a look. It is about from 0 to 30 volts variable, and 10 amps current flows, supposed to. Okay, so this is just a quick introduction of the changes in the power supplies and the components. Look at this. This is only 12 volts and it's fixed, and this little gadget, this boy is from 0 to 30 volts output DC, and it's 10 amps current. And look at the way it's actually designed, nice and pretty and workable, and plus it has a telephone charger as well, USB. So there's so much difference. Yes. Okay, and I hope you like this introduction to the old and the new power supplies. Please do subscribe, and I will carry on bringing new and interesting projects to show. Thank you. Bye.